All right, so today we are going to get the Wi-Fi in. Okay, so this is, actually I don't know what this was. Let me check for bats. So this is definitely not secure. I won't be leaving the router in here. So this looks like a pretty good spot actually. If you look over there at that building, that's gonna be next. Hey everybody, I am Shay. Thank you so much for watching my Mexican adventures while I renovate this amazing abandoned beach resort. Today, I am going to be giving my beach a little bit of love and doing some beach cleanup. Unfortunately, when the storms come in, which happen pretty regularly here, we get trash from everywhere. I mean, South America, Africa, it all kind of comes in from the storm. In addition to all of the trash that comes in, we have a massive Sargasso issue, especially in the warmer months here. The government is trying to work on a plan to figure it out. It affects the sea turtle habitat, and we're moving into, as it gets warm, unfortunately, sea turtle breeding season. And all of the Sargasso and all of the trash greatly affects their habitat. So, it's unfortunate. You'll see what the beach looks like before we clean it up here. Well, come with me. We'll go take a look. You never know what you're gonna find on the beach here because it washes in from literally everywhere. So it's kind of interesting after a storm. It's like a little treasure hunt, and also really gross all at once. I like to do the plastic first, obviously. I should really have my gloves on, but I'm just gonna hop in the water after and give myself a full body sanitization with salt water. Amazing. So this is kind of interesting. Up in the north, there's a group of women who are artists, and they make mosaics from flip-flops. They cut them all up and make these beautiful mosaics. And I wasn't really sure how that was possible until I started cleaning the beach. The amount of shoes and flip-flops that wash up in the beach is insane. Like, I'm gonna fill my bucket with shoes. I'm gonna literally be here forever. Oh, another shoe. This is completely overwhelming. I'm gonna need to hire a lot more help. I've been researching machinery to try to help with the beach cleanup. Yeah, it makes me kind of sad, and I'm gonna have to figure something out. I mean, I have to eat my butt. I mean, look at this. Look at this. I mean, just walk with me. It just goes on and on. And the sad thing is, when the storms come back in, they take it all back out again, but then that's all back in the ocean. So, I really wish people would be more conscious about what they're throwing in the water. It's insane to me. And the Sargasso doesn't help because it's like a big mesh system and it just traps all the trash and it brings it all in. I'm getting sad. I'm going to sidetrack myself and go get a coconut. Hey everybody, thank you for joining me on my Mexican adventures on OnlyFans TV. Oh my God, look at these little babies. Oh, look at those. Oh my God, this is really cool actually. Ow, God damn it. These are little babies starting with little seeds. Look at this over here. They turn into those, and then these. Good Lord. Come on. Woo. All right. See you guys next week.